Well, here's some night views of this Sony radio. It says Bluetooth pause. I was listening to Randy Travis, but let's say I want to go over to and listen to some Sirius XM. Do that. We'll pull up. This is Outlaw Country, and I can either push it in my presets.
Country greats come out.
This is Willie's Roadhouse. And I did have to put in it's Sirius XM radio, but I had to put a module in the back of it, but it just plugged right into the radio. You could tell by looking at it at nighttime, I mean, with the contrasting lights, white button lights, and then the yellow display, gives it sort of a factory look. Pretty sweet. I'm real happy with it. I'm real happy that it's got good hands-free calling option, and my wife just called me and I picked up the phone. I was like, hey, Siri, answer. It answered, and then had a nice conversation with her, and it stopped the song, and then when she hung up, it went right back to the song that was playing. It's pretty sweet. I'm just running stock speakers in this thing, nothing fancy. What I like about it, it's got AM radio and FM radio. So I'm going to switch to the tuner and have it set right now to WSB radio in Atlanta. This is
WSB Atlanta's
FM version.
Time now for live team coverage of traffic and weather.
It sounds a little better, but I like AM because I can pick up all the high school football games on Friday nights and a lot of college radio broadcasts in the fall, which is really slick. Anyway, pretty cool. And